Introducing one of the Paddock's most recent restorations. This 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spider was manufactured early in the Giulia series. Alfa Romeo transitioned from the very successful Giulietta series of cars to the Giulia series in 1963, still featuring the classic Pininfarina design, but now with a larger 1600cc engine. This particular car was purchased by the owner on Bring a Trailer and was shipped directly to the paddock for complete restoration. The car was completely disassembled, carefully documented, and media blasted prior to performing all the needed metal repairs. The 1600cc all-aluminum twin-cam engine was meticulously rebuilt by the paddock, as was the car's 5-speed transmission. All other mechanical components were restored, and any normal wear items were refreshed. The owner also chose to have the seats reupholstered with blue piping to complement its beautiful Pininfarina blue paint. All the restoration work from disassembly, mechanicals, panel repair, bodywork, paint, and upholstery were all performed on site by the talented staff at the Paddock Classic Cars.